Following resolution, the clerk will read the resolution.
H.R. 45 by Oliverson, recognizing the Ibn Sina Foundation for its work in the greater Houston area.
Chair recognizes Dr. Oliverson to explain the resolution.
All right. I'd like to welcome the Ibn Sina Foundation to the Capitol today. This organization is the second largest provider of charity health care in the Houston area and is making a tremendous difference by providing low-cost preventive and primary health care to residents in need. I want to specifically recognize Mr. Nasiruddin Rupani, who is the CEO, chairman, and founder of the Ibn Sina Foundation. It was formed by a group of local physicians and professionals to help meet healthcare needs of a rapidly expanding population of underserved families. Started with one clinic and one part-time employee in 2001, but today Ibn Sina has more than 90 staff members, 7 community clinics in the Harris, Fort Bend, Jefferson counties, and has had over 1 million patient visits to date. And I would also point out that they offer, in addition to primary care, they offer mental health services, children's services, prenatal services, and are in the process of opening a center for low-cost surgical services in Southwest Houston area. And finally, to point out, over 70% of their patients are routine customers, meaning that they come to the Ibn Sina Foundation, they get care, and they love the care and they love their doctors so much that they keep coming back. So we want to honor you and welcome to your Capitol today. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Chair recognizes Dr. Lalani.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'll take a moment to welcome our Ibn Sina Chairman Rupani, the board, and all the staff and good people doing the good work. You know, in Texas, we have the world's largest medical center. It's not the US, but the world's largest. And who's who of the world can fly in and get the treatment because of our world-class treatment. But our own people cannot cross the street and get that treatment. And this Ibn Sina is bridging that gap, providing that accessibility and affordability so they can get the care in time. So welcome to Texas Capitol, welcome to your Capitol, and looking forward to many things to do together. Thank you.
Chair recognizes Mr. Bojani.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and members. I'm proud to welcome the members of the Ibn Sina Foundation to the Texas House. Hello, members of the Ibn Sina Foundation. Welcome to your Texas House. Ibn Sina Foundation's humble beginnings are of extraordinary measures for low-income and indigent families who have no access to health care and cannot afford expensive health-related services. The Ibn Sina Foundation was established in 2001 by a group of local healthcare professionals and its current chairman, Nasiruddin Rupani, who had the vision to provide healthcare services to a rapidly growing population of Texas families in need. Today, the foundation has served over 1 million patients and is the #1 charity service provider in the entire Harris County. As it stands now, Texas ranks 33rd in the mental health care in the nation. But as Texans, we strive to be the very best. That's why I'm so grateful for the work Ibn Sina does. The foundation is a model for the better service and providing the services to all Texans. Thank you all for coming today, and thank you for all the hard work that you do.
Chair recognizes Dr. Oliverson to close on the resolution.
Move adoption.
The question occurs on the adoption of the resolution. Is there objection? The chair hears none, and the resolution is adopted.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Nasiruddin Rupani. I'm Chairman Ibn Sina Foundation. This is a very proud moment for the foundation, board members, advisory board, and all the team behind me. It's a very, very proud moment. I want to congratulate each and everyone in the community. This is the first ever in the history of Texas that any community clinic has ever been recognized on the House floor. So this is a very, very proud moment. It's a very historic moment for the entire Muslim Ummah. Thank you again, community who has been supporting us. So thank you, community members. Without the community members, without the board members, this would not have been possible. Ibn Sina really needs to be recognized, and today was a milestone for Ibn Sina and the community at large, and especially the Muslim community, Muslim Ummah should be proud of what Ibn Sina has done. And I want to really thank the community for allowing me to serve the community. I was part of the founding board and I'm still here after 22 years. And thank you for allowing me to serve the community.
This is one of the leading institute in Houston, Texas to serve and provide the integrated medical, dental, behavioral health services all together under one roof. I like to request, there are many members who may not have heard about this, if they can come and get benefit from the services which are available at Ibn Sina.
Ibn Sina is an opportunity for me personally, and it has become my identity. In 22 years, everyone in the community knows me by Ibn Sina. Nobody knows my name. People call me the person who gray hair person, right? They don't know my name, but they say, hey, I know that person was a gray hair. So I've been blessed. Ibn Sina is very dear to me. Ibn Sina has been my priority, and it will inshallah stay a priority. And this comes first. And I believe Ibn Sina has a huge vision that will be delivered very, very soon. Ibn Sina will inshallah create a full mental health and health services, and we will create a whole healthcare system.
So Ibn Sina Foundation has served many patients. I am very fortunate that we have healed so many patients for their basic needs. If we would have not done that, they would have ended in emergencies. That would have cost them more pain, more suffering. So Ibn Sina services are there to provide the services at the primary care level and reduce that pain and suffering.
Without the community support, this would not have been possible. So I want to thank each and every one. There are thousands of people, hundreds of board members who have served the last 20 years or 22 years. It's their blood and sweat in it. So everyone who has put their blood and sweat and the support to Ibn Sina, I want to thank each and everyone who has really made the difference. Ibn Sina is very close to me. It's my life, and I would like to continue to serve. And inshallah, I'm looking forward to our 25th anniversary. So inshallah, on 25th anniversary, we'd love to see one of our DO school ready. And inshallah, I'm hoping that we will have first batch in 2025.